Hey, what's up everyone? So earlier this year I got these Cloud Foam Adidas shoes, and probably within about 3 weeks I could feel the insoles just falling apart. This is the end plastic waste movement insoles. It's this recycled material, and gosh, in my opinion it's terrible. So I wanted to replace these insoles, but I kind of ran into an issue where it's glued in, and on my other shoe I tried to peel it up and was doing a little too much damage. So I wanted to find a way to get these up without screwing up my shoes. So what I determined the best route would be is to just get a blow dryer, put it on high heat, run it on there for about 30 seconds or so, peel as much back as you can, heat the next section, so on and so forth until you get the whole thing out. Like I said, you can see here I'm picking at it and I'm having no luck. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run this and we'll see if it works. Alright, so that's about 25-30 seconds. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna get my hand in here now and work at it. You can see now it's coming right up. It's probably gonna break apart on you. Sorry, my hand is all in the way. And that's fine, just as long as you keep working at it. Now, if you're not careful and it's not heated up enough, what's gonna happen is when you're peeling this white underlayment here is going to come up. You do not want that to happen. So if you start to feel that happening, throw the blow dryer on it again and start peeling this stuff out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this shoe up a little bit more, heat the rest of it up, peel it out, and then I'm going to put a new shoe sole in. All right, there we have it. We were able to get some big chunks out. You can see this is what wore out when I was wearing them. We're left with just this white piece here. I got these insoles off of Amazon. They're Rymet. I don't know how to pronounce that. But that's one of the crazy things about Adidas is they don't really sell insole replacements. But I got these. These are 10.5, just like the shoe. I tried it on my other shoe here, just slid them in and kind of worked it into position, and they seem to fit really good, really snug. So I haven't had any issues with this side. So I'm gonna push this one in here with my one hand and we'll see how they work out. All right, I was able to work them into place, tried them on, walked around for a minute in them. They felt great. So anyways, I hope this video was helpful for getting this glued insole out of your shoes. Hope you get a good replacement, and do me a favor, if this video was helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.